Hi guys, welcome to the video. Now in this video we're going to talk about ClickDesigns. I know I've put quite a few videos out about ClickDesigns, but as I've said many times, this is my go-to app for creating graphics for my affiliate business and for my product business as well, for my digital business. Everything gets created through here. Now if you've got ClickDesigns already, I'm sure you're amazed by what it does. If you haven't, my bonus is still available, so just come here to access bonus. Now I've also compiled a full report here, so download the report. You don't need to opt in to get that. Just click download. It'll download the report. Access the bonus here. And for your free downloads, come right to the bottom of this post, down here, and you'll see you've got a full reseller pack here. So you've got videos, sales page, lead page, thank you page, graphics, banners, and ebook as well. So no opt-in required, just download those. Now what I'm going to do is talk about logos today. Now there's lots and lots of ways to make money using ClickDesigns. Now one of probably the easiest way to make money is by doing logo design. Now if you come across to something like Fiverr, now you can see here there's lots and lots of logo kind of gigs. You can see the type of money they charge, starting at £215. So you remember I'm in the UK, so it's about $250, £28, £93. So you can see lots and lots of different charges here, £18. Now the great thing about ClickDesigns, it comes with tons and tons of templates. Now if you haven't been inside ClickDesigns yet, have a look if you've purchased it and you haven't got started, using it. Jump in there because it is amazing. Now if you haven't purchased it already, don't forget I've got that bonus as well for ClickDesigns. No one beats it, and as you can see I use this all the time. It's something I stand 100% behind. So let me show you the different logos. So if you come across to logos, templates, logos, you can see here how many different logos there is. Lots and lots of different ones. The great thing about templates on ClickDesigns is there is tons of them. You can just go on forever, just go on and on. So let's scroll back up to the top. Look at this one. If you just click on it, you can see how good this looks. Great looking logo, really is. Let's have another look at this one. Another great looking logo. So what you can do is look through here and you can find something that matches what your client wants or the gig wants on Fiverr, and all you need to do then is kind of edit it. It's really easy to do. Look at this one here. Very nice looking logo. So let me show you how easy these are to kind of edit. Let's just choose one of these. We'll use this one here. Use template. I'll go for logo design. Just wait for it to load. And the great thing about ClickDesigns is it has tons and tons of fonts. So let's just click on design. There you can see it's picked it up there. Now if you go down here to the fonts, as you can see, tons of different fonts. All the way down there is hundreds of different fonts to use. So let's and as you roll over, it gives you kind of a preview, so you can see it changes with with you scrolling up and down. So let's just find one. Let's go with this one. So we'll get we'll do it design.co. Keep that. We'll make that a little bit smaller. The great thing as well about ClickDesign is when you kind of move around, you can see when you're in the center of the kind of graphic. It's at the bottom now, so just drop it down there. Now, the kind of icons that are set here, again, if you want to kind of match up the colors, you can change the colors to match the actual graphics. So for example, just let me get rid of this one. It's from the old one. So let's go back here. So you can see here the colors. So you can change the colours on this icon. So if you wanted to have this, let's say black, you can do there. Darker. So we wanted to change that orangey colour to a dark, not black, almost black. You can see you can make, you can really change it around to match what you wanted in the text. And the great thing about the icons as well is there is tons of different icons you can use here. Let's get rid of this one. Just delete it off. So let's go back to icons. You can see you've got 3D logos. Lots and lots to use here. So if you wanted to drop that in as I said, it helps to kind of center everything in, because what you can do is you grab it, you can see the lines there, it's telling you it's directly in the center. And you can see again, it drops the colors in, so if you want to change the colors, you can do. So the great thing about the icons is the icon is editable as well as the kind of logo. So everything you can change. There's nothing really, that's not changeable here. So let's look at this one. You can see some really nice looking icons. And as I said, there is tons to go through. You've got 3D icons, you've got animal and pets, auto, service. So if you're doing a kind of a logo for, let's say, a garage or something like that, you can come here to auto service and just grab something from one of these. Really quickly and easy put together a logo for a car. Well, again, if you were doing something with pets, maybe, a pet groomer, something like that. Lots of icons to use there. Art, business entrepreneur, cleaning and repair, cryptocurrency, dating and relationships, dental services, again, for a dentist, digital product services, education and training, employment jobs. You can see it just goes on and on. There's just so many different kind of elements that you can utilize to make the perfect logo. So food and beverage, if you were doing this for a coffee shop or something like that, or let's say a donut shop, you could just drop those in. Really easy to kind of set and do. Now, not only have they got icons, they've got different elements you can use in there. They've got illustrations. So if you wanted to add an illustration in there, like for example, if you were, let's get rid of this. If you were doing this one for, pet groomers, something like that, easy to add in. Now, also you've got your designs. You can put your designs from designs you've done previously. You can upload your own images. You've got shapes. You've got everything you need to create the perfect logo. So the great thing about this as well, so if you go to Fiverr, they like to deliver in multiple different formats. They're not going to just deliver in JPEG or PNG, you want PDF and, the different kind of formats. So if you come here to export, you can see you can do PNG, JPEG, WebP, PDF, SVG, and you can select the DPI as well. So if you want something in print, you just select a 300 DPI. Get rid of the watermark if you want, or you can watermark it. Like for example, if you were doing this for Fiverr, you create the logo with the watermark over, send it across and say, how's this? Then once they agree on the design, remove the watermark and send it back to them. Trim the white space, then just export. So as I said, easy way to make money. Create logos for Fiverr using ClickDesigns. And the templates here, there is tons of different templates. I'm going to show you some that's coming soon as well. Some really nice add-ons here. So don't forget, if you want my bonus is here. So just access the bonus and download the report, so you can just find out a little bit more about ClickDesigns as well. And make sure that you claim the free download right at the bottom of the page. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.